Hi friends, welcome to 5 Minutes Tech YouTube channel. Here is Samsung Galaxy A15 smartphone. In this video you will learn how to change screen lock password to alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. First of all, put lock in your phone and see what pattern you set. Here I set this pattern. Yes, this is the pattern I already have as of now. I would like to change this pattern to alphanumeric password. What you got to do is go to the settings of our phone here, then go to lock screen, and then click on screen lock type. Here try your current pattern for authentication and confirmation, and then click on here password, and here you can enter a combination of letters and numbers, or only numbers or only letters. Here I type Mickey 21. Okay, click on continue. Again input the same alphanumeric password for confirmation. Mickey 21 and click on OK. Yes, now it has been changed to alphanumeric password. Now lock your phone and try to open with your new alphanumeric password. It will ask your password now. So I type here Mickey 21 and click on done. Password is incorrect. I typed wrongly. Again type Mickey 21, and yes, now it is open. Yes, it is working very well. In this way you can easily change from pattern lock password to alphanumeric password in your phone Samsung Galaxy A15. That's all friends. Thanks for watching. Bye.